Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the all-new Motonation Campera denim textile jacket. Motonation Apparel, where did this come from? Well, Motonation is a company that's been distributing quality goods in the motorcycle industry for literally decades now. It's a company that I have always enjoyed dealing with, have a lot of respect for since I founded STG back in 2006. They've taken what they've learned, the contacts they've made, and they've come up with a small line of apparel, stuff that just makes sense, sells for a great price, full of features, full of benefits, right? It just gets to the point. It's designed for people that aren't looking for uber high-end, for people that want a good deal on a good coat that doesn't look like a billboard. The Campera sells for $119 at retail as of the time we filmed this video. Prices can go up, they can go down. It's a hell of a value. Let's talk sizing real quick. I'm 5 feet, 11 inches tall, 205 pounds, 33-inch waist. I have on a large right now in this coat. I would say that the fit is a little to the generous side, but that's how I would see somebody who's interested in this coat wanting to wear it. You're not going to wear it all skin tight. You want a little comfort, a little operating room. This jacket includes a fully removable, windproof, waterproof inner jacket. It does have some breathability. I've had it on for a little bit here in the video room with the heat and the lights on, and it doesn't feel too bad. Clearly, based on all the mesh panels and the denim they've used, this is meant for warm weather riding, lots of airflow, so odds are you're not going to do a whole lot of riding with that waterproof, windproof liner, and you're going to have that out of there. It's going to feel lightweight and comfortable. CE certified armor, elbows, forearms, shoulders. You'll notice in the impact zones, more of a ballistic material to enhance the abrasion resistance, elbow, forearm, as well as the shoulder. We've got reflectives. We'll feature some more of these details as we get into the second part of this video, really focus. Volume adjuster here in the bicep. Zipper pulls, we'll talk about this more in a second. There is a functional vent here in the forearm. You can pull that down, pops open while riding, drive some air in the forearm area too. Tons of mesh up front. Volume adjuster here at the waist, Velcro, D-ring, textile. Functionality, they ride in all this stuff. Small catalog of products, so they take the time to use their decades of experience to actually make their apparel better, make it worth buying, not just a cheap price, but quality stuff that's functional. The pockets on the side of the coat, the hand warmer pockets. Number one, the zipper pulls make it easy to operate the coat when you have your gloves on. That's a cool feature in itself. These pockets were designed to have a bigger opening than what you normally find in most of your motorcycle jackets. Most of the jackets out there, I couldn't even think of getting my hand in the pocket wearing a glove. It's actually hard for me wearing 2X gloves to get my hand in the pocket without a glove on. So it's things like that that they've done to enhance the stuff and really bring the value, making sure the pockets inside will hold today's smartphones and not the flip phones from 20 years ago, okay? Good stuff, great price. If you dig what you see, you want some more details, because it is kind of a new to us brand, we'll give you a closer look in the second part of this video. Okay, inside out of the Motonation Campera denim textile jacket. It's got a waterproof, windproof Reissa liner. It's a full sleeve and vest. It's got multiple attachment points, metal snaps here, and then a full zip around. Comes with CE certified soft shell armor in the elbow, forearm, as well as the shoulder area. Memory foam back protector. There are force field upgrades that are available. If you want to take and get that to a CE certified level, we can get that done for you as well. Very little badging like we talked about before. Here we have just a subtle embroidered on Motonation logo. Got your denim fabric, large mesh panels, going to make this thing great for hot days for sure. Dobby higher denier fabric in the abrasion areas on the shoulder, elbow, and forearm. Some reflectives are built in. Volume adjustment right here at the waist, done with the textile as well as Velcro. Nice little TPR pull on the end. Get to the sleeve of the coat. Denim, heavier D, volume adjuster at the bicep. And check out these zipper pulls, right? YKK zips, nice zipper pulls, and this is also a functional vent right here. So let's say that you want to have the jacket fastened securely like so. All right, you got your Velcro done there. You can open this up a little bit here, and you're going to have a functional vent lower in the arm to help drive more air inside the jacket. Neoprene lined for comfort. Front of the coat, combination denim and mesh. The mesh has a nice hand to it as well. Lots of airflow. The hand warmer style storage pockets on the sides of the coat. The first thing you're going to notice when you check these out is the overall height. They designed these pockets specifically so they're a lot easier to get your hands in and out of. A lot of the coats that we offer, honestly, the zippers, they're shorter and it's a little tougher to get your hand in there. These were designed so that you could actually do it with a pair of gloves on. Most people could wearing a glove because of the zipper pull it open, larger pocket, get in there and get the stuff that you want in and out smoothly. Got a nice heavy gauge zip at the main part of the jacket. No badging at all up front. Super clean design. Get inside it. There's the pocket for the back protector. You want to attach it to a pair of the Motonation pants. There's an 8-inch zip to pants attachment. Storage internally. Nice water resistant storage pocket right here. Left breast. Velcro storage pocket here. Actually did that in a denim fabric, and that is expandable. Okay, so you're going to be able to put a large phone in there really with very little trouble. Comfort fabric here around the neck, little neoprene, tightening it off. At $119 retail, this is a hell of a value, and I think who it really appeals to is a rider who, you know, they don't want logos, badging, name brands all over, and Motonation was really careful with all their products to do very little of that, bring it to you at a fair price with excellent quality.